We're exploring a brand new feature in iOS 18 that's designed to make your car rides more comfortable: vehicle motion cues. If you've ever felt nauseous or disoriented while using your iPhone during a trip, this feature is for you. Stick around, and I'll show you how to enable and use vehicle motion cues to reduce motion sickness. Let's get started. So, what exactly are vehicle motion cues? Apple introduced this feature in iOS 18 to help users combat motion sickness during vehicle travel. It works by aligning on-screen visuals with the motion of the vehicle you're in, reducing the sensory conflict that often causes motion sickness. It's especially useful for reading or scrolling through content in a moving vehicle, using navigation apps while traveling as a passenger, gaming or watching videos during long road trips. Now that we know what it is, let's see how to activate it. First, make sure your device is updated to iOS 18. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility and tap it. Tap on Motion under the Vision section. Now tap on the option labeled Show Vehicle Motion Cues. You can activate it to be automatic or to be on all the time. You can select what you want. Now you have enabled Vehicle Motion Cues. Motion cues on an iPhone rely on its suite of sensors and software algorithms to interpret and respond to physical movements. These cues enhance user interactions and accessibility by translating motion into actions on the device. You will see some dots that will fly on the screen. This will make you not to be sick in the car from the motion. And that's it. Now you know how to use vehicle motion cues in iOS 18 to reduce motion sickness and enjoy your car rides without discomfort. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!